Uh, he put the right way. Let me see. Yes. Yeah. Remington 5. Something wrong here. See? So there is a loosen some part. Okay, let me see. Where is the? Yeah. How can I see? Okay, yeah, see. That is, yeah. This part, yeah. See. This one something wrong. That's why it does not work properly. See? I need to refill this, and then couple keys stuck, but I think it can be okay. I already put the ribbon spool, but I tested some typing, but a little bit off part does not print. That means maybe the pattern little bit go down this way, then it will be okay. But before that, main problem is this one. I tried to fix this one. Okay, I removed the pattern so I can see this part, and then I can access this, right? I guess the one spring, this one, this spring, it should be connected to the some. I think this one maybe connected to the this one. See this little part inside, right? They should be connected with some spring. I'll figure out what it is. Okay. Yeah, this is from here. I realized it was broken. See, it should be like this. It's broken. So I took this one from this machine to test it. Now I wanna put this one to here instead of this broken one. This is a broken. This is a broken. That's why. See, this is a normal one. Now properly connected this one. See, yeah, like this. So because the previous one was broken, this part, small stuff, so that's why it doesn't work. Now it's okay. Now I reassemble, so a little bit hard, but it's okay. Now it works properly, right? But a little bit stiff, so we need the oiling, but I guess getting better. I need to clean and then test again. Okay. Remington went. Remington 5. When I bought this one was broken inside. I already showed the video, right? I take off this cover and then pattern everything here and then clean a lot. So right now everything okay. When I take up the ruler, something should be careful. Under here there is a small spring, see? Yeah. So that's easily took off, so be careful. And then when you put back the ruler, it's not easy to connect this spring. So that's one of the most thing. And then this mantle, this carriage and plating, it's a little bit easy. First, hold this platen with the right hand, and then this one turn like this. That's the first step. Then you can take off this one, and then after that you can unscrew this one, and then you can take off this one. At that time, be careful this small washer. This one, yeah, it should be there. It's a washer, right? After that, you can move a little bit right side, and then we can hold this whole platen, take out. After that, we can access around here. That's why I can fix this one after unscrew bottom, and then I change this one from the stock. Okay, so yeah, so right now it's okay, but I want to use this one for another project, maybe in South Korea someone. If he allow me to do that, then I can all these letters ground, and then I want to put another typeface, I mean Korean. Then we can make a very special typeface, and then Korean typewriter. That's why I bought this one for that project, but I'm not sure right now, but maybe, hopefully. So I'm happy to figure out this problem, and then I can fix it. So right now it's okay. So let's see some sample typing. Thank you for watching.